Hello, how are you? Okay, we continue in our activity unit 5. Please open your book page 3. Copy your date, July 2020. Topic, things the body needs. Performance, listened activity. Okay, my student, I need that you open your book and you, in this moment, read the question, answer point A. In this activity for today, we answer point A, B, and C. Okay, start. A. Read the question and guess the answer. You need to read the question in your book about this topic. Number 1. Is calcium needed for strong bones? You answer yes it is or no it isn't. Is protein needed to make new cells? Is iron used to prevent colds? Is vitamin C used to improve your visions? Okay, in this moment you need to answer according to that you know. ¿Es el calcio necesario para hacer los huesos fuertes? ¿Se necesita la proteína para formar nuevas células? ¿Es el hierro necesario para prevenir resfriados? ¿Es la vitamina C usada para mejorar su visión? You need to answer, please. Point A. Okay? And now, point B. Listen and check your answer. We need to make this activity. I play here. If you can listen, don't worry because I sent you the audio, okay? Lo voy a colocar aquí como para que entiendan cómo hago la actividad. Si no lo alcanzan a escuchar, de todas maneras tienen el audio en anexo, ¿ok? Start.
Okay, you're listening to WXYZ. Now, a few minutes ago, we played Know Your Facts. Let's see if you got the right answers. Question 1. Is calcium needed for strong bones? And the answer is yes. Yes, it is. Okay, next question. Is protein needed to make new cells in your body? Yes, it is. Okay. Now, is iron used to prevent colds and other illnesses? The answer is no, it isn't. Iron is actually used to improve your blood. All right, now, here's question 4. Is vitamin C used to improve your vision? And the answer is no. Vitamin C is used to prevent illnesses like colds.
Okay? And now, please, you need to answer point C in your notebook. You write the sentences according that instruction. For example, calcium is needed for strong bonds. And you continue with the activity. Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. Thanks a lot. Bye.